Number 11. Do judo? It means to participate in the martial art of judo.
He goes to do judo every Wednesday evening. He goes to do judo every Wednesday evening. She started to do judo to improve fitness. She started to do judo to improve fitness. Many kids do judo at the community center. Many kids do judo at the community center.
Number 12. Do a lecture. It means to give a formal talk or presentation, usually at a university.
He will do a lecture on ancient history. He will do a lecture on ancient history. She did a lecture at the college yesterday. She did a lecture at the college yesterday. Tomorrow, I have to do a lecture on economics. Tomorrow, I have to do a lecture on economics.
Number 13. Do a research project. It means to conduct a detailed study on a specific topic.
Students must do a research project this semester. Students must do a research project this semester. They did a research project on renewable energy. They did a research project on renewable energy. Doing a research project can be very challenging. Doing a research project can be very challenging.
Number 14. Do some shopping. It means to go out and buy things from stores.
Let's do some shopping this weekend. Let's do some shopping this weekend. She did some shopping for the new semester. She did some shopping for the new semester. I need to do some shopping for groceries. I need to do some shopping for groceries.
Number 15. Do sport. It means to participate in physical activities or athletics.
Kids who do sport stay healthy and active. Kids who do sport stay healthy and active. He doesn't often do sport outside of school. He doesn't often do sport outside of school. We do sport together as a family. We do sport together as a family.